Intransigent, adjective, formal. Intransigent, adjective.
कट्टर, हित धर्म, सख्त, इंतहा पसंद, समझौता ना करने वाला, सियासत में कट्टर, जिद्दी, हटेला.
Intransigent, adjective. Of people, unwilling to change their opinions or behavior in a way that would be helpful to others.
लोगों की अपनी राय या तर्ज अमल को इस तरह तब्दील करने को तैयार नहीं जो दूसरों के लिए मददगार हो.
Examples. 1. He can be intransigent and pig-headed at times. 2. Owing to their intransigent attitude, we were unable to reach an agreement. 3. He has remained intransigent in his opposition to the proposal. 4. He has remained intransigent, refusing all suggestions for improvement of the process. 5. But Trump came to believe the FBI was too intransigent and regularly polled his advisors on whether to fire Wray. 6. Critics see her as an intransigent ideologue whose free market policies frayed social bonds and gutted the country's industrial communities. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.